Children, please open your books on page number 163. We'll start with the book exercises. The first one, the first fill in the blanks. Dash ocean surrounds the icy continent of Antarctica. It is the southern. The lesser and greater Antarctica are divided by Antarctic mountains. You can check in the book also, in the chapter itself. The Dash glacier is the world's largest glacier that was discovered, that is Beardmore, Beardmore. The Dash research station of India was shut down as it got buried under ice. That is Dakshin Gangotri. Please write fast. Then Norwegian explorer Roald Amundsen. Please check the spelling. Amundsen. Okay. Dash, like planktons, provide nourishment to aquatic species. Krill. You can write this for any of the answers. Active volcano is Mount Erebus. Metri is Indian Research Center. Transatlantic mountains. This is Transantarctic mountains over here. Antarctic. Okay. It's a mistake over here. Please correct it. This answer is C part is devised lesser and great Antarctica. Antarctic Treaty. D part is 1959. Dakshin Gangotri. E part is an Indian Research Center that closed down. E. Beardmore is largest glacier discovered in 1908. This is F. Now next true false. Weddell Sea has an active volcano named Mount Erebus on its shore. False. Okay. Indian Research Center Bharti in Antarctica was closed down and replaced by Dakshin Gangotri. False. Antarctic Treaty was signed in 1959. True. Beardmore Glacier is the largest glacier discovered in Antarctica. This is true. Nethil Palmer discovered the active volcano in Mount Erebus. False. Dr. Kamal Wilku is the first Indian woman to visit Antarctica. True. Then please cross check these true false also on your own. Read the chapter and that's fine. Cross check it. Name the ocean that surrounds Antarctica. Please come to page 154. Okay. For this, all together you can write Southern Ocean also. So all come to page 154. Children, instead of 154, write down 155. Okay. Either you write Southern Ocean. It's just name the ocean. No, you can write Southern Ocean. Southern Ocean comprise on. Just come to page 155. This part, the southern parts of the Indian Ocean, the Pacific Ocean and the Atlantic Ocean surround this continent. But all together, these oceans are called Southern Ocean. Clear? So you may write only Southern Ocean over here. This is answer number 1. To be very clear, write 4A. Why is Antarctica known as White Continent? This answer. Why is Antarctica known as the White Continent? Come to page 156. This is 4B answer. The white permanent ice cover on the continent has given it the name of the White Continent. Clear? You can also write Antarctica is permanently covered by ice, therefore it has got the name White Continent. What is the name of the Indian Research Center that was closed? The answer is Dakshin Gangotri. You can write Dakshin Gangotri is the name of the Indian Research Center that was closed. Who was the first Indian woman to travel to Antarctica? Who was? Dr. Kamal Wilku. Dr. Kamal Wilku. Where will you find this answer? It's page number 159. Page 159. Define ozone hole. Page 156 in the definitions. Okay. Define ozone hole. It's on page number 156. You check the definition. In which months does Antarctica experience summer? In which months does Antarctica experience summer? Page 156. This is Antarctica experiences summer from November to February. Please underline this and write down this is answer number 4F. Clear? Next is, how has the continent of Antarctica been divided? Please take out page 156. The lesser and greater Antarctica are divided by the Transantarctic Mountains. First you write down so start from the question, are divided into start from the question, okay? Are divided into two parts, lesser and greater Antarctica, and further lesser and greater Antarctica are divided by Transantarctic Mountains. Clear? This is 4G part. Next is, who discovered Mount Erebus and in which year? Come to page number 155. Page 155. In 1841, James Clark Ross discovered Mount Erebus. Which answer is this? 4H. Understand by Antarctic convergence. What do you understand by Antarctic convergence? Again, come to the definitions on page number 153. Now come to the definitions. Antarctic convergence on page number 153. The lines which I have underlined, a curve continuously encircling Antarctica where cold northward flowing Antarctic waters meet the relatively warmer waters of the subantarctic. When and where was Antarctic Treaty signed? Come to page number 158. Children, come to page number 158. It was signed on December 1, 1959 at Washington. Up till here. This answer is 4J, I suppose. Please cross check.